What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of On the Asphalt with Buddy Isle. This week we're at Orange County Speedway in Rougemont, North Carolina for Cars Tour race number 4 on the season.
We got to get Bryce over here. We got to tell them what we had. We brought a caged animal to the racetrack.
Felt like we needed a mascot.
Yeah, we felt like we needed a mascot today.
Landon Huffman a little bit jealous because we had the trash panda.
Yeah, it was kind of close to that. It comes out at nighttime.
Yeah, it comes out every night. It seems like
every night. He likes Bryce's chicken feed.
Yeah, he really liked chicken feed. That was a big old boy, corn fed.
Yeah, he was definitely corn fed. Grain fed. What brand was it?
I don't know. Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply. We need a Tractor Supply sponsor.
Yeah.
Anyway, Bryce had him in a cage. He said, we're bringing him to the racetrack, so we put him in the back of my truck. I got a Tundra. I need to tell you our sponsor too. So we had him in the truck bed, put him in the truck, picked him up, come to the racetrack, we're like, we should turn him loose in the track.
Flo would have been proud.
It would have been a good Flo moment. So anyway, we opened the tailgate up, showed Robert Arch. He didn't like it. He said we need to turn him loose. He said we're being mean.
Robert Arch wouldn't tell us where he parked his van at either. That was rude, I thought.
Yeah, we wanted to put him in Robert's van. So anyway, we saw the Baldwins, and we saw the Luke Baldwin and Jack and all them. They all come over there, and it was like show and tell to him, boy. So anyway, we had a raccoon in a cage. He was probably, I don't know, 20, 25 pounds. I don't know.
He almost bit Luke like 5 times.
Yeah, Luke
wouldn't leave him alone.
Luke thought it was a good idea to bring the shoe over there and put the shoe against the cage. I think like took his arm off, scared the mess out of the boy. He sounded like a darn rabid dog. And then everybody else come over there. And he called Jade over there. And I don't know who else he called there. A bunch of people. It was like show and tell at my truck.
Oh, they were all over there.
So, anyway, we turned the raccoon loose at the gate over here, so I think he's gonna watch the race from the trees over here in the neighbor's yard.
Yeah. So we do got a t-shirt cannon.
Yes, we got t-shirt cannon and 3 tanks. So we're gonna shoot. We got some Van Dyke shirts over here, maybe some Buddy Isle shirts, and I think we got a few Cars Tour shirts. But I did talk to John Folsom at Folsom Fence and Supply, so he's gonna come out and maybe give me some shirts, and maybe we'll let him shoot the t-shirt cannon.
That's the sponsor of tonight's race, ain't it?
Yep, tonight and A Speedway.
Oh, okay.
Back to back. Yep, good things he's doing to the small track racing world, so that'd be pretty cool. Get him involved. Got a red race car. Look at that thing. I told Bubba I got the best looking car here. Look, got a big motor.
Joe got a big block in it.
Big motor, that thing right there, boy. And I got Minnie's mission stuff. Look, the Mini Speedway.
You got all kind of stuff going on.
Yeah, I just shared it on social media this week. Check out Minnie's mission. Pretty good stuff. Hang on.
You can like rubber band them like that.
Turn down for what?
Front band them over. They fit in the gun.
No.
Need somebody who knows how to roll something?
We got a new sponsor, boys!
Hey,
Fold it in half, and another one, take the sleeves, and then roll it.
I gave up. I don't even know.
I'll make bullets.
what's the plan now on the fold?
Just telling you how to fold them.
I don't even know. I'm just rubber banding them up. Bryce got Bryce got it figured out. Don't be coming over here telling us how to do it, Barb.
Yeah, Barb, we've got this.
We got some.
Has nothing to do with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, okay?
Nothing to do with that. Or snacks. I know how to follow the rules.
Now, buddy, this rain shower's done changed a little bit. Does that change your thoughts going into qualifying?
I don't know. To tell you the truth, I don't really know. I mean, for better for us, might throw everybody for a curveball. Maybe just slow some of the fast guys down. But I think everybody's kind of in left field today. I don't know what's got going on with the new tires. I feel like the track's a little different. Talk to some of the guys and crew chiefs, and I don't know, maybe it's more bumpier, it feels like, and the bumps that were here is like amplified, it feels like to me. And maybe it's just a stiffer sidewall, we don't really know, but no, just drive it hard like normal and try to run a shoot for O. See how it goes.
The field hope, because for a while it looked like everyone was going to be anchoring this field a little bit as we run through these cars. Next on the racetrack, a driver who had a little bit of fun on a social media outlet showcasing the evasive maneuver he did on the late race restart stack-ups at Cordele. If you want to check that out on the Buddy Isles Racing page, you can head on over there and do just that. A tremendous job for him to pick up what was a career-tying best effort at Cordele, 7th. This particular waters over 11th for the Littleton, North Carolina native, Buddy Isles, who's on the racetrack now. He won several races here in 2022 after pivoting to pavement and continued to race many local shows here in 2024. Isles comes across the line, 19th of the 20 cars that have been on the racetrack so far. He's looking for one of those big pickups and the difference between lap 1 and lap 2 of the qualifying session.
buddy. We got some new partners this week. Let's talk about them.
Oh yeah, we got OB Marine Sales and Service from Lake Gaston. Also got a Kittrell location, Kittrell, North Carolina. They're local to me, been in business I think since the 70s. Great company, great family-owned business. They work on just about anything boat-wise, marine-wise. Sell a lot of different brands. You have to check them out on Facebook. Give them a call, look them up on Google, and go by and check them out. Great guys.
Nope.
Give me another rubber band. Aim it up real high.
Nope.
Hold it like a gun. Have you ever shot a gun? All right, there you go.
Where am I going with it? Should I just do it now? How much kickback is that?
It's not.
Go have some fun.
Let's have a good safe race. 45 consecutive on the competition cautions. Just like normal, 15 or less, we won't have any. Let's have a good, safe, clean race.
Tonight for this yet another edition of the Z-Max Cars Tour presented by Sound Gear. Happy that you can be with us live on Flow Racing to take in the entirety of the Folsom Fence Supply 250. The field will work into the hands of Tyler Reif and Lane Riggs on the front row. Sit back and enjoy this one from Rougemont.
That bump fell up there, ain't it?
I've been driving. What do you want? Hey, look. So big.
You don't have to put that hard in.
Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up like this. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You can get the camera knuckles. Like, the knuckles. Yeah. High five. Showing them 11. Good job. Yeah. What's your shirt say? Let's go racing. You been sleeping? Get a good nap. You going to Nana's tonight? You going home with us?
All right, buddy, that was a hot one. Talk about it.
I don't even want to talk about it. NASCAR made me say this. I don't know, we just weren't good. I don't know what it is. Blame it on tires, I don't know. We just didn't bring a good package. I mean, I don't know, we just about the same as last year. Just couldn't fix one thing and make it worse somewhere else. And I don't know, we're just all over the place. Drove hardest I could drive. Felt like I was dirt tracking in, dirt tracking off, plowing one moment, plowing off.
Back to your roots, ain't it? Dirt tracking?
Yeah, I mean, it's fun to race. I just wish I was moving forward when I was doing that. Car ain't tore up, that's the main thing. Can't afford to turn our cars up. But the guys worked really hard this week. We were off the get-go with tires yesterday. And I think we just couldn't get it right and ain't got enough time. You know, we can't afford to come test here before every race. It's too expensive. And being self-funded, we just can't do it. So that kicks our butt sometimes, you know, but it comes with it. Appreciate everybody. OB Marine Sales and Service, Timber Waters coming on board, the whole band bike team. Boo and his fiance, get married soon. We're kicking Asphalt. Appreciate everybody tuning in to the channel. Like, subscribe it. Go to our Facebook page, his Facebook page, check us out, give us a like. Anytime you can go look at our fan pages, any of our sponsors, anything like that. Just give them a like, support our businesses. It ain't got to be just mine. Just support everybody that supports the local track racing, and we appreciate it.